Next question. Wolbachia method is sometime talked about with reference to which one of the following? Four options are given. Converting crop residue, it is wrong. Producing biodegradable plastic, it is wrong. Producing biochar, it is also wrong. Controlling the viral diseases, this is correct. Now see this Wolbachia, it is mentioned in our book, August 2022 current affairs book, page number 69. In the news with related to fruit fly species, it is mentioned that new research shows that when one fruit fly species contains whole genomes of a kind of a bacteria, making this finding the largest bacteria to animal transfer of genetic material ever discovered. The scientists used a genetic long read sequencing technology to show how genes from bacteria Wolbachia incorporated. So this Wolbachia is mentioned in the context of controlling of viral diseases, therefore is the answer, and this question is solved from our August 2022 current affairs book.